The second exercise says a wildlife biologist recorded the number of kills made by tigers in a reserve during summer and winter seasons and collected the following data, where the number of species and the number of kills of a particular species were recorded during summer and winter season. If a data set show comparative statements of the data, so it's better to create a single graph using both data sets. So I'll do the same thing. I'll prefer to create a single graph using these two data sets belonging to summer season and number of kills during the winter season for the same species. Go to insert column. So first I'll just take a look which graph suits best for this kind of data set. So here you can notice just I have clicked this 2D column. By default graph sample, it has create data graph bar with two colors, blue and yellow or orange, and it is giving a comparative assessment which can be read very easily, but I'll just check it out what else can be done. Then I have tried to check out all the graph formats which are given by default in the Excel, but this one, the column or bar graph, looks suits best to the given type of asset. So I'll go for this one, column. Then I'll check customized samples from the chart tool. These are the customized samples with the high and low width of the columns. Gap between two bars. So I think this one is overlapping bar suits best as we are trying to create a comparative graphical representation. Size is small, so I'll increase the font size because the graphs should be readable. So it is increased. Now something is missing from this graph. Yes, I'll customize title. It is comparative. Call it comparative kill assessment. You can write seasonal basis, or you can title it seasonal predation status by title. So whatever title you want to give, you can customize that. Now X scale and Y scales are missing, so again go to chart tools, add chart element, click axis titles primary horizontal and axis title primary vertical. Number skills showing prey species which were killed by tiger during summer and winter season. You can customize the format of this chart, delete these lines, try to set graph as open as you can do. It should be clearly readable. Now if I want to customize this column width, I can do that too from here. Series overlap, it pass while width, customize it with our choice. You can create graph of your choice either using no fill, solid fill with different colors, or using gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. This pattern fill is very useful once you are trying to create a graph to publish in a research paper. So color and choose a pattern, give a border solid line with black color. The same thing I'll do for the summer season data set. We'll go to pattern fill, but this time I choose different type of pattern, color, solid lines with black color. So this is looking more suitable to publish in the research papers, because research papers generally go for grayscale graphical representation, as color printing cost more. It costs very heavily. So that's why, although if you are trying to create graphs to present or represent in the report or in the presentation, then you have a best choice to again customize your graph with a solid fill using different color patterns with your choice. Solid fill to bars, solid fill. So this is the graph to compare seasonal predation status of tiger.